Hello everyone, my name is Mark Fermil and today ang topic natin is about looping. Looping means i-execute mo yung task ng paulit-ulit. So, beneficial siya sa part na kung saan kailangan mong i-execute yung isang parts ng code mo ng paulit-ulit. An example of that is this one. So, if binigyan ka ng task na i-print out mo yung hello world ng 10 times, hassle yung pwede mo siyang actually gawin ganito, but this is not the most efficient code or hindi ito yung tamang way. Ang pangit ng ganyang code. So, one way to do that is by using looping. So, paano nga bang gawin yung looping? First, need mo ng starting value. So, for example, this one, counter is equals to 1. Parang tayong syempre, when we want to repeat a task, kailangan sa program may starting point, saka may end point tayo. Ito yung starting point natin by initial value or initial variable natin. Next is yung condition. Actually, we have different kinds of looping constructs. Ang gawin ko lang muna ngayon is yung while loop. So, need natin itong while as a checker para i-execute yung loop hanggat wala pa siyang tawag dito, pasado pa rin siya dun sa condition, sa loop condition. At sa loob nito yung loop condition natin. For example, need natin siyang i-run ng 10 times. So, dapat yung counter natin is hindi lalagpas ng 10. So, paano gawin yun? While counter is less than 10. Less than or equal to 10. Sa loob nitong curly braces, dito mo ilalagay yung kanyang task na kailangan mong gawin. Ano yung task na kanina? Which is yung i-print out yung word na hello world. At this time, isang beses mo lang siya gagawin kasi yung program na yung bahalang mag-execute sa kanya ng 10 times. Yan. But, kung ganyan lang siya, actually, mali yun kasi ang mangyayari dito ay 1 yung value ng counter mo, no? So, every time na i-check niya to, true pa rin siya ng true. So, magkakaroon tayo ng infinite loop. Paulit-ulit tong mag-run. So, need mo ng parang taga-break ng loop. Ang breaker ng loop natin is yung ating incrementor or yung decrementor. Or ang tawag minsan is stepper. So, since yung 1, need mong mapapunta hanggang 10, since 10 times mo naman siya i-execute, need mo siyang i-increment by 1. Ang tawag dito sa plus plus is increment. So, pag plus plus, ang nangyayari, yung value na ng counter which is 1 plus 1, magiging 2. Then, ang mangyayari ganito, so, since ang counter natin is equal to 1, proceed siya sa dito. I-substitute natin siya dito. So, is 1 less than or equal to 10? True. Papasok siya sa loob ng curly brace. Ipiprint out niya yung hello world. Along with this one. Counter plus plus. Ano na magiging bagong value ng counter ngayon? That will be 2. So, if na-reach na niya yung end ng curly brace dito sa part na to, babalik lang siya sa unahan, sa condition with a new value ng variable natin. So, yung counter natin, since na-increment siya kanina by 1, magiging 2. So, balik ulit yung condition. Is 2 less than or equal to 10? True. Perform niya ulit to. Then, plus 1 ulit, 3. So, tas babalik siya ulit dun sa counter. Is 3 less than or equal to 10? True. Ulit-ulit. Hanggang sa maging 10 yung value ng counter. Is 10 less than or equal to 10? True pa rin. So, perform this one, counter plus plus, balik ulit dito sa umpisa. 11 less than or equal to 10? False. Kapag nag-false na siya dito sa conditional or sa loop condition, stop na yung loop natin. Try natin i-run para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung ano nangyari. Okay, so, hello world ng 10 beses. To verify if 10 beses nga siya, idamay natin yung value ng counter sa ipiprint out. Ayan. So, 1 to 10. Gets? Okay, explain ko ulit sa umpisa. Let's say, try natin baguhin ulit yung situation. Gawin natin, i-print mo yung name mo by 3 times. 3 times naman ngayon. So actually, pwede mo siyang, yung initial value is hindi naman pwedeng laging 1. Pwede mo siyang gawin 0. And isip ka ng way para ma-print lang niya yan by 3 times. Use it natin yung while na condition, while na word. Then initial value. Ano yung need mong condition para mag-print lang siya ng 3 times? So, since ang starting value natin is 0, 0, 1, 2. So, pwedeng is initial value is less than equal to 2 or less than 3. Paras lang yan. Kasi anything that is less than 3, yung pinaka bago siya mag-3 is 2. So, 0, 1, 2. Ganun. Or pwedeng less than equal to 2. Okay din yan. As long as yung stepper mo is by 1. My name is Mark Vermeil. So, initial value mo is increment mo by 1. Mangyayari dyan ay 3 times niya ipiprint yung Mark Vermeil. To prove na tama yung sinabi ko kanina, less than 3, 3 times din yan. Kapag ginawa kong less than equal to 3, magiging 4 yan. Why? Wait lang. Bakit ganon? Kasi ang starting value mo is 0, right? So, is 0, yung 0 na yun, i-substitute mo dito. Is 0 less than equal to 3? True. So, perform nyo itong nasa loob ng curly brace. Then, increment by 1. Then, balik ulit sa simula. Is 1 less than equal to 3? True. Perform ulit, which is this one. Pangalawa na yan. Initial value plus plus. That will become 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. Tama ba? 1 plus 1, 2. So, is 2 less than equal to 3? True pa rin. So, perform this one. 2 plus plus magiging 3. Balik tayo dito. Is 3 less than equal to 3? True. So, print out ulit to. Plus plus magiging 4. Is 4 less than equal to 3? False. So, kung mapapansin nyo, 4 na beses siya nag-true dito. So, 4 na beses din niyang in-execute to. Actually, there are other loop structures din. Meron tayong do while, which is gagawin niya muna yung task. See out. Hello. Bago niya i-execute yung nasa loop condition, which is this. Nakalagay ba yung while dito? While initial value is less than equal to 3. Pause ko muna to. Okay, mali kasi wala tayo nung taga-increment. Yun yung yung nakita nyo by the way is yung infinite loop. Nangyayari siya kapag wala tayong taga-pag-false nung condition. Magpo-false lang siya kapag meron tayong taga-increment. Or increment or decrement. Ayan. So, do this muna. So, print out hello. Then, increment mo yung value ng initial value by 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Is 1 less than equal to 3? True. Tapos, babalik ulit siya dito. See out hello. Then, Ano yung value niya kanina? 1. So, 1 plus 1, that will become 2. Tapos, pupunta siya dito sa loop condition. Is 2 less than equal to 3? True. Balik ulit sa simula. Cout hello. Then, increment yung 2 by 1, magiging 3. Is 3 less than equal to 3? Less than yung nakalagay dito, hindi less than equals. So, is 3 less than equal to, is 3 less than 3? False. Now, since nag-false na siya, stop na yung loop natin. Another form or last form ng ating looping structures is yung for loop, wherein lahat ng mga importanteng values ay nasa loob na nung parentheses. So, let's say index equals to 0, index less than 5, index. Actually, hindi lang siya plus 1 plus 1. Pwede mong gawing plus equals 2. So, by 2 yung increment niya. Try natin. Mag-see out tayo ng hello world. And para aware kayo kung anong value na yung napiprint or anong index na tayo. Lagay ko rin siya dyan. No need na taga-increment sa baba kasi yung taga-increment natin is nandito na. So, okay lang yung siyang ganyan. Build natin, then run. Okay. So, ang naging na-print out na values is 0, 2, and 4. So, why is that? So, ang pag-analyze ito is starting dito sa initial variable natin, which is index equals 0. Then, after this, proceed tayo sa loop condition. Substitute mo yung value ng index, which is 0. Is 0 less than 5? True. So, kapag nag-true, print out mo to. But, meron tayong part na piniprint out din yung value ng index. Kaya, 0 yun nandito sa simula. Now, after printing this one, saka siya proceed sa taga-increment or sa stepper natin. So, 0 plus equals 2, that will become 2. After may increment, babalik siya sa simula. Ay, not that one. Dito pala. So, sa loop condition, ano nang value ng variable natin? Since sa plus 2 yung 0 kanina, 2 na siya. Is 2 less than 5? True. So, proceed ulit dito sa pag-print out. Ang value ng index natin is 2 na. So, kaya 2 yun nandito. Then, hello world. Na-reach natin yung end. Plus 2 ulit tayo sa index natin. So, 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Balik tayo sa condition. Is 4 less than 5? True. Print out ulit this one. Which is why 4 yun nandyan. Kasi 4 yung value niya. Then, this one, balik tayo. 4 na siya, no? 4 plus 2 is 6. Nung 6 na siya, balik tayo dito sa loop condition. Is 6 less than 5? That is false. Anong mangyayari kapag false? Nag-i-stop na yung loop. So, ito na yung pinaka-output niya. Gets? One way, ang iba pang mga tawag dito, activities na ginagamit dito sa looping is pag-print out ng mga number sequences. So, for example, if inatasan ka na i-print out yung number sequence from 1 to 10 using looping, ganito siya. I-print out mo lang yung index. Then, ayusin mo lang yung values nila. Since ang starting value ng from 1 to 10 is 1, gawin mo yung 1. Then, ang last value natin is 10. So, less than equal to 10. Kailangan equal kasi kasama yung 10 sa condition. Basta later, magigets nyo. Ang incrementer natin is, di ba, 1 to 10. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, plus lang. By 1 yung increment. Check natin kung tama yung values. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 hanggang 10. Kaya siya less than equal to 10 kasi kapag ginawa ko lang siya less than, once na nag-10 na yung value dito, Check natin. Is 10 less than 10? False. So, once na nag-10 na yung value niya, hindi na niya ma-print out yung pang 10. So, ang mangyayari, 1 to 9 lang yan. Nag-false na kasi siya nung sa 10th part. Also, less than is, tawag dito? Actually, yun lang yan. Then, another situation is, for example, yung sa 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, try natin yan. Gawin natin 2. Since 10 ang last part natin, less than equals 10 by 2 siya, so plus equals to 2. Check natin. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Gets? What if baliktad? What if 10 ang simula? 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. So, baliktadin na natin. 10 to. Then, ang last part is 2. But since baliktad na yung nangyayari, baliktarin din natin tong symbol. Greater than equal to 2. Then, starting from larger, then pababa, magmamali siya kapag increment. Dapat decrement. Decrement means magma-minus. Minus by 2 dun sa original number. Check natin if tama. Okay, that's correct. Another example is pwedeng yung try natin yung, actually hindi lang siya limited sa plus, minus, pwede rin siyang times or multiplication. Start natin yung sequence by 1. Then, less than equal to 100 times 2 times equals to. Check nga natin kung ano mangyayari. Ayan. So, power of 2. Simula siya sa 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 4 times... Tama ba? 1 times 1... Ay... Check nga natin, i-run natin. Is 1 less than equal to 100? True. Print out index, kaya siya naging 1. Then, dito. 1 times 2 is equals to 2. Kaya, 2. Then, balik siya ulit dito. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Kaya, 4. 4 times 2 is equals to 8. Then, 8 times 2 is equals to 16. 16 times 2 is equals to 32. 32 times 3 is equals to 64. Hindi na siya nag-proceed sa next kasi 64 times 2 is 128. Ang ano yung max number natin? 100. Okay. So, yun yung ating looping. Beneficial siya kapag, for example, ganito yung situation. Pinag-ask ka ng, pinag-ask kang mag-input ng 3 numbers as i-output mo yung sum nung tatlong numbers na yun. Na paano gawin yun? Simula tayo sa umpisa. Index, so pwedeng mong gawing x. X equals to 0. X less than 3. And x plus plus. And pinag-ask ka na, yun ang goal mo is ask the user to enter 3 numbers, then dapat ma-output mo yung sum nung 3 numbers na yun. So, enter a number. Then, let's say, number, click on number, then, yan. Then, si num, tawag dito, in num. Whatever na number na nilagay ng user dito sa part na to, mapupunta siya sa num na variable. Na paano mo makukuha yung sum nung tatlong numbers na yon? Declare ka ng outside variable na sum since yung since every number na i-type niya is mapupunta sa num, so sum is equals to sum plus sum. So for example, sa first loop, ang in-enter ko is 5. So yung 5 na yun ay magiging 0 plus 5. That will become 5. Yung 5 na yun masasave sa sum temporarily. Kasi uulit-ulit siya wherein ang next number na in-enter ko is 2. So bago na yung value ni num, magiging 2. Ang value ng sum natin is 5 kanina plus 2. That will become 7. 7 na yung bagong value nito. Then third loop, let's say ang in-enter ko is 3. Yung 3, bagong value ng num. So dito is 3 plus, ano number ng sum kanina? 7. So 7 plus 3 is 10. So ang total sum is 10. Okay? Then to output the final or total sum, actually redundant, sum lang. Okay. To test, check natin if gagana. Dapat muna is enter number. 4 4 4 4 8 12. Run ulit natin. 6 1 tapos 8. Ang expected value dapat natin dyan is 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. Dapat 15. Okay. Last part. Ay, last na try. 10, 2, 10, 4. 7. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. Okay, correct. So, dito siya sa mga times na ganito in-apply. So, dyan siya beneficial. Imbes na ulit-ulitin mo to sa using different variables, gamit ka na lang ng sum to save the sum. Then, another variable na paiba-iba yung laman. Tapos, ganito na lang yung equation. Yan. I hope na gets ninyo. Though, mahirap siyang i-explain masyado. But, this is how you do it. Tapos, yun lang naman yung concept ng looping. Paulit-ulit na ginagawa yung task. Just remember na may tatlong important na elements ng looping. Elements ba ang tawag? Or parts, parang ganun. You have the initial variable, the loop condition, saka yung stepper. And also yung kanyang body. And we have 3 different types of loop constructs. We have yung while loop, do while loop, and for loop. Okay? So, thank you for listening. I hope may natutunan kayo and see you on the next video. Bye!